How you doing, guys? It's LSP. It's currently the 16th of March 2018, 11:52 a.m. GMT time. And I'll apologise now if my throat sounds really bad. It's been getting worse for the last 2-3 days, so I don't know how that's going to come through on the video. So that's the first thing. The second thing is my tweet was in response to, if anybody's obviously been following along, not that it matters. I mean, this stuff is so fucking trivial. Honestly, I can't believe I'm being drawn into this. I really can't. But anyway, somebody DM'd me basically yesterday and the day before, and he said something to me about me as a person and my ability to trade and some other things, which were quite rude, to be honest. And it just wound me up. It really wound me up, And I was like, right, fuck this. And obviously, I think what's happened is because the account's been taking massive drawdowns and it's kind of up and down. And as you can see, the balance now is currently 74.19, so it's a £75 drawdown, give or take. Okay, from the original starting balance. I think obviously over the last, I imagine week, we'll say a week, over the last week, whoever this person is has obviously been looking at the MyFX book, and then he had something to say. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, and obviously I can choose to turn the DM off, but I don't want to because other people DM me, and the responses that I give them, they're saying thank you to, so I'm assuming I'm making a difference, so I don't want to, or nor can I turn off the DM. Do you know what I mean? Because I know that there's people out there that want to DM me, positive stuff and want to talk about trading, so that's cool. But it's gotten to the point now where I'm just kind of getting tired of it all, guys. Obviously there's a part of me that you guys don't see, and I was hoping to show that through the challenge account, and it's getting too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to stop, just before anybody gets all antsy. I'm not going to stop doing the challenge account. I'm still going to do the look ahead videos, but what I'm probably going to do is I'm just going to do a weekly video at the end of each week and just focus on my trading instead of sitting down and recording trades and be visually and being aware that I'm recording trades and being aware that I'm recording and making live recordings and so on and so forth. It's too much. I've made so many videos in the last 40 days, 2 months, couple of months or whatever. It's a wonder I haven't lost my voice, People who say what they say, people who believe what they believe, people who see what they see. I'm not going to go on now and try and change anybody's mind. It really doesn't matter to me. Just make a note of the date of this video, and when I'm ready, I will show something to everybody, just to shut everybody up, and then that's the end of it, and we can all just fucking move on. But for now, I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to chill out over the weekend. See, I'm losing my voice, man. I'm telling you, I'm going to fucking lose my voice. I'm going to chill out over the weekend, relax, and we'll start fresh on Monday. And we'll slowly grind the account back up. I say we. I keep saying we like there's more of us. I will slowly, grind the account back up. First goal is obviously to get it back to starting balance, and then we can go from there. And I'll just say about gold as well. I got married to that trade. I was convinced it was going to go to 13.41. I still believe it's going up there, and I still believe the dollar's coming down. It's just going to take a lot longer than I expected. So it's cool, man. It's all good. It's all good. So I hope this has been fun for everybody, because it has been for me. Obviously, just this last little bit, which is nothing to do. And I'll just say this. Sorry, guys. Just one more thing. I started with £150 for fuck's sake. Okay. And I've said so many times it's a challenge, but just the number, £150, and I'm down 75. That's like a night out for me and a couple of friends, eating some food, going to a restaurant, for example, and having a meal. It's not fucking mind-blowing sums of money. And I know some people will say, yeah, but it's the results, it's not the account size. Fine, I get that, okay? But this isn't affecting me, okay? This doesn't affect my life, this doesn't affect my bills, this doesn't affect anything. And it certainly doesn't affect my trading on my main account, which I keep saying, but no fucking listens, because obviously nobody's seen my main account. Nobody's ever going to see my main account. But I don't want, I guess, people thinking that £75 drawdown is, that I'm going to be in a box somewhere on the street, begging for money because I blew a £150 trading account, for goodness sake. Oh my God. Anyway, do you know what? I'm going to stop talking because I'm just whatever. I'll catch up with you guys in the look ahead video, and I'll just keep it, germane to what I would normally do on my my main account. in terms of pairs. I mean, I only trade the euro and the cable on my main account, and that's it. So I'm not going to be bouncing around too much. Just keep it simple. Right now, at the moment, in terms of my normal account trading, as I've said over and over and over again, the last trade that I took on my main account was a 29 pip move on the euro, and I haven't traded since. This is the second week now, the end of the second week. It's just the market, for me anyway, at least on the weekly, we're just stuck in this range. We popped out of this range, and I was expecting some move to the downside, but it's just grinding sideways. And you can see that I've marked off this grey area here. I think maybe we get a pop up here, and I said this last week. I wanted 91, to get tagged the 91 big figure just over here. And it hasn't. Obviously it's just continuing to be grinding in this area, which means they're working orders, they're pairing orders, working orders. It's prices being worked within this range here, and until it comes out of that range, or shows signs of a pop and stay, meaning it drives in one direction and it continues in that direction, then there's not really much I can do with this. And I think the challenge account has afforded me the ability to just get in and out of to the market without having to worry about my main account trading. And it got to the point where I was just being stupid, and just trying to make a big chunk of money. Basically, I can't be asked to grind it. It's as simple as it gets. That's really what this all boils down to. I can't be bothered to grind it. And my mistake was saying to people, I'm going to get this account to 10,000. I'm still going to try. Nothing's going to change that. But I'm going to change things up a little bit. I'm going to focus on some other things. Trade this account as well in the background, and then I'll do weekly reviews. And the MyFX book is always going to be there, so you guys can check it. Check it out and see. And that's that. All right, guys. So I will catch up with you guys in the look ahead video, which will be probably on Saturday if I can get it banged out quickly. And I'm just going to try and keep things a little bit briefer as well. Too much talking, I think my voice is probably going to go. So it is what it is. All right, guys. So have a great weekend. I wish you guys all the best for the coming trading week. And have a good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are in the world. And I will catch up with you then. Take care.